I'm getting the old school flip phone. I got a gift card, and the gift card is universal, so thank goodness. So I put it up. I put 60.600. Um, put it up, and I gotta wait for my manager tomorrow to come in to help me find the phone that I want. I already know what phone I want, and it's a flip phone. It could be any flip phone, best price, any color. Um, so, nobody believes me. Bang. It's a gift card. Gift card receipt. Tomorrow. I just gotta wait for Dominique. I will have the phone before the end of the week. It's Monday. She's on vacation. She would have been in there. I would have got it. All right, let me call Charles and let him know the bad news.